Tesla's Cybertruck has been one of the most talked about vehicles in recent years, praised for its futuristic design and unconventional approach to automotive engineering. But in a shocking turn of events, the UK has outright banned the Cybertruck from its roads. To make things worse, the British police have already seized one from a driver in Manchester, making it clear that Tesla's boldest creation is not welcome in the country. But why exactly has the UK taken such a hard stance? Is it just about safety regulations, or is there something bigger at play? And with Britain leading the charge, could other countries follow suit? Today, we break down the real reasons why the Cybertruck has been blacklisted in the UK, how Elon Musk is reacting, and what this means for the future of the Cybertruck in Europe. Let's dive in. It all began with what seemed like a routine police stop in Greater Manchester. But the moment officers pulled over a matte black Tesla Cybertruck, things took a turn. The problem? This massive futuristic vehicle isn't legally approved for UK roads. The driver, a permanent UK resident, had registered the truck abroad, probably hoping to skirt around the country's strict vehicle regulations. Unfortunately for him, the plan backfired spectacularly. Police stopped the truck, confirmed it was illegal, and promptly seized it under Section 165 of the Road Traffic Act. Just like that, one of the most hyped electric vehicles of all time was officially kicked off British roads. But this wasn't just a case of paperwork issues or bureaucratic delays. This was an outright rejection of Tesla's vision for the future. And even if you somehow manage to import a Cybertruck into the UK, you won't be able to legally drive it. Why? Let's break down the specific reasons why the UK government has slammed the brakes on the Cybertruck. Why the Cybertruck is illegal in the UK. The biggest issue is that the Cybertruck lacks a certificate of conformity. This document is mandatory for all vehicles in the European market and proves that a car meets safety and environmental standards. Without it, the Cybertruck is automatically unfit for British roads. But this goes beyond paperwork. The truck itself violates UK road laws in multiple ways. 1. A dangerous design. The Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton is designed to be rock solid, but that's a huge problem in the UK. Instead of absorbing impact in a crash, the Cybertruck's rigid frame could act like a giant metal blade, making it extremely dangerous for pedestrians and cyclists. UK road safety laws prohibit external projections that increase injury risks, and the Cybertruck's razor-sharp angles break those rules completely. 2. Too big for UK roads. The Cybertruck weighs over 6,800 pounds, 3,100 kilograms, and that's before passengers and cargo. In the UK, a standard driver's license, Category B, only allows you to drive vehicles up to 3,500 kilograms. This means that many UK drivers would legally need a commercial license just to operate it, an unrealistic requirement for a consumer vehicle. 3. Tesla's steer-by-wire system. Unlike traditional cars, the Cybertruck uses steer-by-wire technology, meaning there's no physical connection between the steering wheel and the wheels. UK laws require steering systems to be manually inspected for safety approvals, but Tesla's digital system can't be tested in the same way, meaning it's instantly disqualified. 4. Lighting issues. The Cybertruck's futuristic full-width LED light bar might look sleek, but it doesn't comply with UK regulations. British law requires separate housing for headlights, taillights, and indicators, something the Cybertruck doesn't have. This creates a visibility hazard, especially in foggy or low-light conditions. With so many issues stacked against it, the Cybertruck simply doesn't stand a chance in the UK. US versus UK safety standards. Why the clash? The biggest reason why the Cybertruck is banned in the UK boils down to how different countries define safety. In the US, crash tests focus on how well a vehicle protects the people inside. In the UK and EU, equal or even greater emphasis is placed on how safe a vehicle is for pedestrians and other road users. So while the Cybertruck is built like a tank, that's not necessarily a good thing in Europe. Most modern cars are designed to crumple in an accident, absorbing impact so that less force is transferred to other vehicles or pedestrians. The Cybertruck, it doesn't crumple. Its 30 times cold-rolled stainless steel frame resists deformation, meaning all the crash force gets transferred to whatever it hits, whether that's another car, a cyclist, or a pedestrian. In the US, that makes it a fortress. In the UK, that makes it a weapon. Elon Musk's reaction. Did he see this coming? Elon Musk is no stranger to regulatory battles, and he actually predicted this problem years ago. Back in 2020, Musk admitted that the Cybertruck might not be allowed in Europe. When asked if it would be available in the UK, he bluntly responded, "We'll have to make a smaller version for Europe to pass regulations." This means that Tesla already knew the Cybertruck wouldn't meet UK safety standards, yet they still pushed forward with the US version anyway. So what happens now? What's next for the Cybertruck in Europe? Technically, Tesla could modify the Cybertruck to fit UK regulations, but that would require rounding off the sharp edges, changing the lighting design, reducing the weight, reworking the steering system. But here's the problem. That's not Tesla's style. Musk has always positioned the Cybertruck as a take-it-or-leave-it product, not something that bends to regulations. A Cybertruck Lite just doesn't fit with Tesla's brand identity. And let's not forget, redesigning the Cybertruck would be expensive and time-consuming, especially when Tesla is already struggling to keep up with US demand. The more likely scenario, Tesla just won't bother. The Cybertruck was designed with American buyers in mind, and if the UK or any other country doesn't approve it, well, that's their loss, not Tesla's problem. Will other countries follow the UK's lead? With Britain officially banning the Cybertruck, it raises a huge question. Will other countries do the same? Many European nations, including Germany, France, and the Netherlands, had strict safety laws similar to the UK. So if the Cybertruck can't pass in Britain, there's a high chance it won't be street legal in other parts of Europe either. Even countries like Japan and Australia, which have similar safety philosophies, could impose their own restrictions. This could severely limit the Cybertruck's global reach, leaving it as a US-only vehicle. The Cybertruck is one of the most daring and controversial vehicles Tesla has ever created. But as the UK's ban proves, there's a fine line between innovation and impracticality. So what do you think? Should the UK ease its restrictions, or is the Cybertruck simply too dangerous? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on tech, cars, and breaking news. Until next time, thanks for watching.